In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now tap on face unlock here. Enter your current login method. Tap on start at the bottom and wait 5 seconds before clicking next. To start setting up, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you want to. Hit done. Manage all of those options, and when you're ready, go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!